Good morning. It is day 6 of Vlogmas. Today is gonna be like a me day, self-care day. I have to finish my hair. That's why I got this on. I had to take Harper to school, but I finished my hair. I need to do my nails. I took my press-ons off. I'm gonna give them a break. So I can get myself a manicure and a pedicure. So yeah, and I have to finish decorations. And I woke up this morning feeling worse. I feel like I'm not getting better. Y'all hear that? Like my nose. This nostril was stuffed up. I've been coughing, so my voice sounds really scratchy. But yeah, that's what today is going to consist of. And y'all get to join me on today. And I have to make thumbnails for all my previous Vlogmas videos. I made it for the first 2 days. And then haven't done one since. Just trying to get them edited and get them up. So that's been my life. But yeah, let's get this day started. Hey y'all, so I haven't done anything to my hair yet because I'm in this makeup competition on Instagram and I was down, but now I'm winning. We were only separated by 40 votes. So I went through all of my followers and we're just messaging them like, hey, could you please vote for me? I'm in this competition. It ends in 2 hours, but now it ends in an hour. So I'll stop at 10 o'clock and actually do something with my hair and my life. Because that's what I've been doing for the past 2 hours. Because the person who's hosting the competition, she posted how many votes we were separated by. So I'm on a campaign like, whoa, I'm on a campaign like I'm running for president. Then stop it. You know what I'm saying? But I figure I come in checking with y'all, let y'all know. But yeah, I'm trying to win this competition because the prize is either a $125 Amazon gift card or $200 off her trip to Aruba. And I've already paid my deposit for Aruba, so I'm going. So $200 off, that's 50. Whoa, sorry y'all. That's 50% off the trip. Zen, you all in the background coughing and stuff. But yeah, that's 50% off. Here, hold this for TT. Hold that and take it upstairs for TT. Thank you. All right, it's 50% off the trip, which you know will save me some money. Because then flights to Aruba like $500. So that's going to save me some money on my trip. So I'm done talking to y'all. I'll come back once I win this competition. But we're only separated by 13 votes. So I need these people that I messaged to just go tap. You know, just tap, 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 tap. So you know what I'm saying? I got some power and some move. I need to be the leader of a movement or something. TT winning. Let's go, baby. Let's eat. Literally, let's eat. I'm hungry. Hey y'all, so the competition finished. So I don't know if I won. The last thing I saw was it was 51-49 in the other makeup artist's favor. So you never know. Maybe some people came through in the clutch. But we were only separated by like 10 or something votes. I think there should be a first and second place. Like, I drove so much traffic to her page. It's ridiculous. And I know that she got 5 new followers from me. Because they were people that were following me before and then they followed her. So I need something, like, baby. It's all good. It was fun. Like, I felt like I was campaigning for president. It was ridiculous. Like, I'm stressed out right now. I have a headache. But it's all good. Thank you to everybody who shared it in their story, their Instagram. Thank you to everybody who voted. Just thank you. Just a quick little double tap or a little tap. I appreciate it. I messaged, like, I'm surprised Instagram didn't shut my page down because I messaged like at least 300 people, or at least sent 300 messages. Followers. Look at that. I'm trying to put my followers to work, but you know, people are at work right now. Everybody's not off like me. Everybody can't have their phone. But yeah, I'm about to go finish my hair so I can relax, because as y'all can see, this is not conducive to live. Okay, y'all, look at me getting my life together. Okay, I still sound sick, but my hair is done. Okay, I don't know where I'm going, but it's done. I need to do my nails, and I need to give myself a pedicure just cuz. But I'm gonna go downstairs and eat. And low-key, high-key, I can't find my freaking tripod thing. I don't know where I put it. I need to find it. But I also wanted to sanitize like the kids' toys and stuff, because all the kids have been sick and had coughs and things. So, you know, they're just passing around the germs. I know I'm left the good lighting. I was recording a video. I actually recorded this. Use the Curls Poppin' Pineapple collection. Love that. My room is a mess. I also have to get my bag together. We're just doing a quick day trip. My bonus daughter, Reagan, has a basketball game tomorrow, and Harper is taking pictures with Santa, Black Santa. Shout out to Santa Like Me. So she's taking pictures with Black Santa tomorrow, so I have to get that together. And then I'm doing makeup for one of my high school friends. 30th birthday is coming up, so she wants a birthday beat, so I'm doing that. So this is just busy. We're just gonna be vlogging and vlogging and vlogging and chogging. I actually need to figure out what I want Harper to wear. I'm sorry, I'm still looking for this thing. I don't know where it is. She actually has a couple options, both of which are from her grandma Bow. Bow, Bow, Bow. Her name is actually Val, but Harper calls her Bow. Grandma Bow. Can't say that V sound. Okay, these are dresses, outfits. Okay. So we have two options here. This is her. Oh my gosh, this will be her 3rd year taking pictures with Black Santa, even though it's her 4th Christmas. So, where? Let me go downstairs before I show y'all these outfits. These are the sick people right here. Sick 1, sick 2. Y'all, I cannot find my tripod. You see, I'm bad at looking for stuff because it'll be right in front of my face and I can't find it. Okay, still can't find my tripod. I'm like really upset. But these are the two options. So this is like a velvet shirt and pants situation with the fur vest. And this has this little flower detail. So I've already picked which one I want her to wear. And this one, she just got this outfit. This cute little peplum top and some like velvet pants. And I figured she could wear this one because she has this bow that my friend made for her. She makes custom headbands for adults and kids. Lulu's Knots. And I figured this will pick up on the green and the flowers and the red, which is Christmas and festive. And this outfit is festive too. She's going to a Christmas party in a couple weeks, I think. Or next week she's going to a Christmas party, so she can wear this to the Christmas party. I think that'll be cute and fun. It's a kids' Christmas party, like they're hosting, so I think that'll be fun. And then she has her cute little black patent leather shoes with the bow in the back. I'll probably bring something for her to change into once we go to the basketball game, but this is just for the picture. Okay, yeah. So now, let me eat, and then I can, y'all can come with me as I do my nails, and maybe I'll find my tripod by then. Hey, I found my, I found my tripod. I told y'all it was right in front of my face. It was sitting on my shoe rack.
Sit down in the couch.
So I'm about to do my nails. I need to soak my feet. I am so lightheaded. Crusty crack. I'm adding in my oil blend for some moisture. Now I can sit and rest my feet. I have a whole video up on how I do my petties. But yeah, now I'm just going to continue watching Mrs. Maisel.
Okay, if you think multiple ocarina's playing at the same time is depressing, then you really should have got to the fucking Bergman film.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Finished my little mani and pedi. My nails look really good. I know it's a little messy, but I'll clean it up. I'm waiting for them to dry. What did I use? Crap, I already put it away. And my toes. So y'all can see those. Can you see those? Let's zoom in on my toes. Oh, y'all, that's a good winter color. You know, just a little bit of self-care. I did not finish decorating. But it's all good. I did want to sanitize the toys. I did not get to that, but I'll probably get to that later. Yeah, got some stuff going on with me, y'all, but it's okay. All I can do is pray and trust God and have faith and do what I need to do. I know this seems really random, but to me it's not. But yeah. Pray, have faith, trust God, and do my part. Yep. But today's been really chill, as you can see. I didn't finish decorating. I guess it was just more about me today. So I'll finish decorating over the weekend. But some fun stuff's happening tomorrow. We're going to Tiki. We're going to the basketball game. We're doing the Santa pictures. I'm doing somebody's makeup, which I have to get my makeup kit together. Yeah. And I have to go pick up Harper in about 5 minutes. So yeah. So I'll do some stuff when I come back. Okay, y'all. I got back from picking up Harper. I'm all packed. EJ got home early, so we're about to leave. So I'm not going to do anything that I said I was going to do. So yeah. I think I'm going to end today's vlog right here. And you might see some stuff from today and tomorrow's vlog, but whatever. Good night. Or, yeah, we're on our way to North Carolina, so